What?
I'm a beast.
Oh, goodness.
Come up closer. Right there.
I'm choking.
I'm about to go. Because I got flow. All these hoes don't know. Ah! No! No! Do that again! Ah! You know what? Screw that.
I think we found a bird. Speedy, that's a bird, right? That's really sad. It's like hanging on the line right now. I can't really see it that good though. I don't think it can hear you. I think it's dead. Yeah. I think so.
So I tried to be a piece of log.
I know.
And we're talking about one piece of log.
And I come in and ruin the day.
Is he going in?
I don't know.
Oh, this is my wife right here.
Oh my goodness.
Nina. She's a Romanian.
That's a bird! It is a bird!
Somebody get like...
It is a bird! Yay! Getting you fat cow.
Why doesn't he just get in his pants? Doesn't matter. Yeah, I've been.
Wow.
Yeah, unfortunately.